Saints Cathedral, Kampala, which is the seat of the Archbishop and Bishop of the Diocese of Kampala of the Church of Uganda, has organized a fundraising event this coming Sunday, 3rd September 2023. This will be held at All Saiints Cathedral, Kampala, Nakasero, during the 8 a.m. service and also 10 a.m. service. So we have two services, 8 a.m. up to 9:45 and 10 a.m. up to 12 noon. The services will be led by myself and the provost and the team. And this will be graced by the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Thomas Tayeba, will be the chief guest. And we are so grateful that he accepted to come. The objective of this event is to raise around 3 billion to complete the interior of the new cathedral building to achieve a usable state. The one of a kind cathedral is designed to hold a congregation of over 5,000 people in a single service, and also allows for concurrent services in its 4 chapels. So we can have 5,000 in a single sitting, but also 4 chapels, we can have other services run concurrently. Completion of all interior works and installations is anticipated by the end of this year. With exterior works, this one will be completed next year, 2024. The scope of exterior works include cladding to slanting walls and also bell tower, slanting windows, offices on lower ground, and other installations for functionality. As we gear up to complete God's church, God's sanctuary, I want to profoundly thank all of you, God's people, men and women of God, of different denominations, all God's people, for the support you have given us in the past. I want to use the same moment to appeal to all of you, God's children, dear viewers, men and women of God, to come and join us in raising resources for the completion of the cathedral, as indicated in Exodus chapter 36. God uses people. He wants to use you. Use your resources, use your skills. You are welcome. Come one, come all. This is 3rd September 2023, All Saints Cathedral, Nakasero. Service begins at 8 a.m. up to 9:45, and another service begins at 10 a.m. to 12. The guest of honor will be the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Right